Visuals are the heartbeat of e-commerce. A high-quality image gallery doesn't just showcase your products, it builds trust and creates an emotional connection with your customers. The best part, you don't need any paid apps. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful ways to create a professional photo gallery using only Shopify Online Store 2.0 features. This is the quickest and most flexible way to create a clean image grid. Go to Shopify Admin Arrow Online Store. Arrow Themes. Click Customize on your active theme. Click Add section and search for multi-column. Now, to turn it into a gallery, set column. Alignment to center, set image. Width to full width of column. Remove buttons and text blocks. You'll now have a simple, lightweight image grid, perfect for product showcases or brand visuals. If you want something more artistic and dynamic, use the Collage section. Click Add, Section Arrow Collage. This option is available in themes like Dawn and Horizon. This layout gives you a modern, editorial-style gallery with mixed image sizes, great for storytelling and branding. For more control and customization, click Add, Section Arrow, Custom Liquid. Paste your custom gallery code into the editor. This method allows you to create custom layouts, like a 3-column grid, control spacing, responsiveness, and styling. Build a fast, lightweight gallery without extra apps. With these 3 methods, you can create a beautiful, high-performing image gallery without spending a single rupee on apps. That's it for this tutorial.